Welcome to Langkawi, Malaysia, an island of stunning beaches, lush nature, and unique adventures. This is a stunning view from our apartment. We started with a delicious Indian breakfast. Next, we set off on the Langkawi mangrove tour, heading into the heart of Langkawi Forest Park. We hopped on a boat to explore the mangrove forest, limestone cliffs, and hidden caves. Our first stop was the fascinating bat cave. A natural wonder where bats hang from the ceilings, creating an eerie but exciting atmosphere. As we continue our journey, we took a walk through the mangrove forest. Did you know that Langkawi is located just a short distance from Thailand? The Langkawi Forest Island we visited is a stone's throw away from the Thai border. As we made our way back, we passed the famous crocodile cave, which gets its name from the unique shape that looks like a crocodile. After the boat tour, we made our way to the beautiful Durian waterfall. It's a bit of a hike through the park, but definitely worth it for the stunning views of cascading water. It's important to have a rental car, as public transport can be hard to come by, especially to remote spots like this. Next up, we drove to the highest peak on Langkawi, Gunung Raya. The drive up was scenic, and the views from the top absolutely breathtaking. Finally, we visited Tamaran waterfall. Sadly, it was dry during our visit in January as we came in the dry season. But even in this state, the surroundings were still quite beautiful.